Go Channel. Breaking news. City Vatican. Pope Isaiah new cardinal to see future direction on tour. Women share its vision for social justice, the rise immigrant dialogue with Islam. 10 unjust 50 votes every day. High rise. 100 to aging, and so are injured to body and conclave, and elect new pope from their conclave. Francis has new pope more than her. The 128 cardinals electors, increasing the possibility the next pope will progress continues. The ceremony is in the Basilica Pillars on Saturdays. The Pope say the new cardinals ask the be compassionate with others, peoples, and life. For example, the Cardinal Romero has much knowledge about Islam. The Cardinal Romero is 67 years. He has much knowledge Islam. The other cardinals also knowledge in Islam. For Christian, for City Vatican, Cecilia Angulo. Follow you, Mary. Center New.